Hello everybody. So today I want to show you how to answer question number 1. We have the formula in here. So we need to expand this one. So 2x with the power number 2, that is about 4x squared. The next one, number 2 multiplied by 2x and number 1, that is about 4x. And the last one, number 1 with the power number 2, that is about number 1. Now we have the formula in here. So number 2 I will put in here. So 2 plus 1 we have number 3. This one we have number 3. So we have 4x to the power of number 3 over number 3. The next one, that is about number 1. 1 plus 1 we have number 2. This one we have x and I will put about c. So 4 divided by 2 we have number 2. Now this is the answer. Now let's go to the next one. We do the same technique. And this one we got e to the power of negative 2x. The next one, that is about 4e to the power of negative x. The next one we have number 4. So we have the formula in here. So a, that is about negative number 2. So we put negative number 2 go in here and here. And now we have the final answer. This one, that is about negative number 1. So we put negative number 1 go in here. And we have like this. The next one, that is about x. And this is the answer. Now let's go to the next one. So we have the formula in here. So this one, that is about 1 over 3 sine 3x. This one, that is about negative 1 over 4 cosine 4x. This one we have the formula in here. So that is about number 3 over Ln of the absolute value of x, and I will put about c. Now we need to simplify number 2 and number 3. We have number 6. Negative number 2 multiplied by negative 1 over 4. That is about positive 1 over 2 cosine 4x. Now let's go to the next one. So the square root of x squared, that is about x. This one we have number 1. This one we put x to the power of 1 over 2. This one, that is about x to the power of 2 over 3. This one, that is about x to the power of negative number 2. So this one, that is 1 over 2 minus 2 over 3. And now we need to simplify this one. And we have negative 1 over 6. So we can apply the same technique in here. So this one, that is about s squared over number 2. This one, that is about s. The next one, that is about negative 1 over 6 plus 1 over negative 1 over 6 plus 1. The next one, we have negative number 2 plus 1 over negative number 2 plus 1. And I will put about c. So this one, that is about 5 over 6. 5 over 6. This one, that is negative number 1. Negative number 1. And here is the answer. This one, we have number 4 Ln of the absolute value of s. And then we put the bounds from number 1 to number 3. And now we have the final answer. Ln number 1, you got number 0. This is the end. Thank you for watching.